Well, you know what happens when you think of somebody and then they call you right away?
Yeah.
That's called quantum association,
Okay.
right? So you're asking just a minute ago about how it works. So we have this machine, and it has a high consciousness field in it. And so we associate that high consciousness field with your address when you enter into the database.
Okay.
And it's connected through quantum association. It's very similar to human prayer, right? So we have that high consciousness field, and we put information in the field, and those are requests to divinity. So we write out prayers. It's like, please help. We've read all the optimal conditions people would have in a relationship. When we write those out and we put them in there, and there's our thoughts in the field. So we put positive requests to the divine in the field. That's in the high consciousness field that Jeff talked about when he put his hand in, he felt tingly.
Right.
So we have a way of connecting that high consciousness field to a database. And we write all these prayers in this database, from all the sacred texts in history. We spend a lot of time just studying history, studying consciousness, looking at the Vedas, the Bible, and the Bhagavad Gita, like anything. We'll take any good stuff from anywhere, and we put those in the field. And those are the positive thoughts that we all get in the field.
So I can expand a little. So
Okay.
in that high consciousness field, in the machine, in the system, there's this unique identifier. So it's an address or coordinates or a cell phone number, or a picture of a pendant or something like that. So just like us thinking of someone, getting ready to call them, we've made that connection. And there's lots of studies out there between twins and mothers and their kids about that instant across the world connection that happens. No time, no space. Boom.
Boom.
Right. So that is what's occurring. And that's why you can feel it so quickly.
Yeah.
As soon as the free trial starts, which just a few minutes, that quantum association is now occurring because that address exists. It exists in the courthouse or the county records for a property. So those boundaries are known. And when that address is identified with the unique identifier of the address, then those boundaries now have a consciousness field in them. Just like you're thinking of your mom, there's that connection. You're sending her some love or healing for whatever's happening.
Mm-hmm.
That is now in her field.
Mm-hmm.
So this really works much the same way due to the structure of the machine, the breakthrough that occurred that made that
Beautiful.
allowed.
I love
made
that.
that happen.